All right, guys, today I'm going to be reviewing this Floisdace baby gate that's retractable. It's made out of mesh and has a bunch of cool features that you have to see. So it has this little locking button here. You can lock the gate or you can basically unlock it. And here's everything that it comes with. So let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing and let me show you everything that's inside of this box. So we needed something for our house because we have a baby. Well, I mean, he's 3 years old now, but still. We have a dog too. Sometimes when there's people coming in to service the house, we want to lock the dog out. We have an existing wooded, made of wood, but that one's pretty much breaking down now. So this one's going to work out pretty well. It comes with all the hardware, and this can mount to any surface. Here's the upper and lower brackets, so you can mount this to wood, to pretty much drywall, anything that you have inside your house. It'll mount to it pretty much because it does come with everything. So let's unwrap this. It's packaged really nicely. It's very sturdy. That's the first thing that I'm noticing, is that it's feels like it's made well and it's heavy duty. So, I mean, it comes with the full instructions here, how to do it, how to install it. Unfortunately for this one, I won't be installing it. I'm just going to be showing you guys everything that it comes with and preview it just a little bit from rolling up and down. But very simple to do. Just about anyone can install this on their own. They're just going to need like a drill and a screwdriver, really. But yeah, check it out, guys. This thing's made of mesh. It's retractable. Has a rod that it comes with also. So I like the fact that it comes with the rod because it makes it a lot more sturdy. But yeah, check it out. It rolls out pretty easy and smooth. Hopefully this review helps you guys make your decision.